Let's see the question number 143. An EM wave is propagating in a medium with a velocity of Vi. The instantaneous oscillating electric field of this EM wave is along plus y axis. Okay. Then the direction of oscillating magnetic field of the EM wave will be along minus z direction, plus z direction, minus x direction, or minus y direction. Okay, let's see. As we know, E cross B is equals to the velocity. So if we will put the value, then E into E multiplied to J cap cross B vector, that is the magnetic field, will be equals to V I cap, because this is given already. Okay, then therefore the electric field vector is along plus y axis. So B, that is magnetic field, will be equal to B K cap. Then that is the direction of the magnetic field will be along positive z direction. K is equals to z direction. So the answer should be plus z direction. Let's see what is the answer. Yeah, the answer is second, that is the plus z direction.